Hello, everyone. We have 4 more packs of Naruto Shippuden, set 4. This is called Naruto Tournament Pack. Okay, I'm gonna be opening up these. Now my bro, he got 2 Tobis in 2 packs. If I get a Toby in this pack in the front, whew. Yeah, and by the way, that kunai that I bought, it's really kind of crappy. So we don't use it. Oh wow, this kind of opened weird, but it's okay. Let me just put the trash down there. Oh, cool. So, Shizune. Okay, hold on. There we go. Healing. Takamaru. Yeah, and then that's Hollow. Utakata. Sasuke Uchiha. Sealing Jutsu 9 Phantom Dragons. Kanemaru. Neji Hyuga. Renji, I think that's how you say it. And Orochimaru, that's the foil name one. Ooh, that's some nice artwork. These packs have really good artwork. So, I got none of the same cards that my bro got. That's amazing. So, we're safe. We are totally safe. Second pack. Woo. Hope we get something so good. We have not got a super rare out of this set yet. So at least one. That'd be cool if we could get a super rare Neji. Ooh. Oh god. Oh. Okay. These artworks are kind of okay, but so we got Kabuto, Taijutsu suit. Oh god. Utakata. Race. Ah! We got a super rare full art Gurren. Holy, you know how happy I am right now. Woo! That's the first super rare that I've got out of this set, and it's full art. Holy mother, pants loaded on fire.
Damn, dude.
Oh, that looks so nice.
Wait, where is she from the anime?
I'm pretty sure that she's from season 4 when that girl is with her and stuff. Oh, that takes a slave. And, oh, Aruka. That's not bad right there.
God.
Kanemaru.
Super rare.
Yukimaru.
That made your day.
Santen. Ooh, that was the best pack. That pack was so cool. Yeah, these are real. This is not weighted or anything. There you go. No, I don't really expect to get a second one, but hey, you know, anything's possible. Oh, and by the way, no, actually, I'll tell you that at the end of the video. No, right now. Okay, so I got these packs on Amazon, and I think if you buy one, it's $1. Yeah, it was $1. But it took shipping, so the shipping was $2 or something. Oh man, hold on. I'm having trouble with this one, so just give me a minute. Yep. So $1 on Amazon, and then however much shipping is. So on to the next one. We got Kabuto, Taijutsu suit, Earth style Headhunter Jutsu. Oh god, that's actually foil. I did not see that. That's cool. Futaba, or something. Hinata. Race. Twining limbs. Subdue. Yukimaru. Shikamaru's decision. That's what we got in that one. That's some good pulls. And I'm getting lucky. And I'm really happy. And then we're on to our final pack of Naruto. Of set 4. So, set 4, I guess, for season 4. Does that make sense, right? That makes sense, right? Okay. I think that's how they do it. A new set for every season. Ah, man, these packs are so hard to open. Okay. Ooh, nice artwork. Man, I love this. Okay. So, we got Sakura, Chakra Eater Sword, Jiraiya, and that is a holo. That's good. Rin. Ooh, Rin. Hinata Hyuga. I don't know how to say that. Twining Limbs. Yukimaru. Tenten. And our final card is a Sand Tsunami. And that is, I think, a rare. Two dots with the holo name. Okay. Now once these things are sleeved, I'm gonna show you what we got all together out of these 4 packs that I opened. That's super rare. Holy crap. That just makes me so happy right now. And then we still have 3 new Naruto tins to open in the back. Kakashi with Itachi, Naruto with Sasuke, and Jiraiya with Minato. And they look really cool. Okay, so this is what we got. We have Orochimaru. That's what we got. Takamaru. Itachi Uchiha. Earth-style Headhunter Jutsu, Shikamaru's Decision, Jiraiya, Sand Tsunami, and the most awesomest card, Gurren. Thank you guys for watching this 4-pack opening, and hope you enjoyed. More content is coming your way. See you later.